All right, so a little while back, I got an email I've been hoping to get for a long time, and I'd like to announce I'm finally an endorser for Attack Drumheads. This showed up at my door yesterday, and I wanted to open it with you guys and walk through everything they sent, slap them on the kit, and let you hear how good they sound. So let's get to it. So final impressions, these heads are amazing, especially for the price. If you look at the major manufacturers, you're gonna spend about half on Attack drum heads, and I love that cost is a concern and they keep it affordable for drummers because we're not making a lot of money out there on gigs. The ProFlex 2s I love. There was no muffling on the drums as you saw in the video. They've got a ring around the edges that focuses the tone, and it's really it's a nice dark, warm, and punchy sound that I've actually used on a gig already the other night, and then I'll be using here on out. The snare drum was, I got a ProFlex 1 on that, and that's nice and crispy. I don't like too much muffling again on my snare, so that's an aluminum snare. It's got a little bit of ring. I like the ring. So thanks to them, Evan Mitchell over at Attack, for signing me on. I really appreciate it. And yeah, catch me out on tour with Newski this summer, as well as some other bands. If you want to talk drum heads or drum gear, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.